Read sentences and then I will just listen. Can you? Ready? Okay, go.
But the rat done ran top John has nap John can top the cat hat
Di ang kasama.
hat lat
Had.
had
Had.
nap
Ulitin mo yung number 6.
the cat had nap.
Okay,
The
7.
man has a tap.
Oh, tap ba yan? C-A-P.
The man has a
Kakeki. O, ano yan? Ano to? Anong basa nito?
cup.
Oh, cup. Again, 7.
The man has a cup.
Okay, good. Number 8.
The man has a map.
Okay, 9.
His
Oops.
has his
S nga siya, pero pag binasa mo, sound.
sa
May kasamang M.
san
M.
some
Very good.
has some has a job.
Job ba yan?
Jump.
Again, number 9.
Some has a jump.
Okay, 10.
The ram run.
Okay, very good. Mahirap?